अब अगली कर लेना
चलो
सब.
शुरू करो.
Yes. So there are lots of happenings happening in sport, and Rana Sahab is with us today. How are you doing, Rana
I'm
Sahab?
good, Akib. What about you?
I'm doing well, Rana Sahab, alhamdulillah. So how do you see this test match, Rana Sahab? Pakistan 76 for 4 in deep trouble.
Trouble, exactly.
Kashif Ali and Saud Shakil are batting for Pakistan. They're trying to save Pakistan from a Herculean defeat, you can say.
Akib, as we have discussed last night, that if West Indies perform well and if they give target of around 250 to Pakistan, Pakistan will be in a trouble. So this is what happening right now. Pakistan is 76 for 4 and Pakistan in a great trouble. We hope Saud Shakil and Rizwan should make a comeback. They should perform as they have performed in the first innings. But still this match is mostly 90% in the favor of West Indies.
Rana Sahab, Ahmed Shahzad, Pakistan former cricketer, has also criticized the Pakistani batsmen that the players of West Indies, who people even don't know, they are performing well in the
Exactly.
Pakistani conditions. And he criticized the Pakistani batsman that he blamed the batsman for getting out rather than blaming the pitch. And he said that the way they're getting out, the way you see the Babar Azam dismissal, is that
Exactly.
you still blame the pitch or you feel that it is the fault of the players.
No,
Basically, he's criticizing the players for the way
Akib,
they
I
got out.
totally agree with Ahmed Shahzad's statement. That was completely fault of the batsman, of the Pakistani batsmen like Shan and Babar. Also, Hurera, that's a young talent, but he has just wasted. They have just wasted their wickets. They should have played sensibly. They should have stick on the wicket, make around 30, 40, at least 50 score to help chase 250 plus target against West Indies. But right now, Pakistan is in a great trouble, and we hope that Shan should think about it and should think like how he should have played in the innings. But he has just out without scoring a much great runs for Pakistan.
And Anasab, he's also saying that these things which are happening in the current test match, we should accept that we are not good enough to compete at test cricket level and we lack the skills to play test cricket. So do you agree with this statement of Ahmed Shahzad?
Exactly, because Pakistan is at right now at 7th position in World Test Championship, and we hope that in future championship Pakistan should make a good comeback. They should be in the top 2 or at least in top 3. But right now Pakistan batting plus bowling lineup is not that good to be in the top 2 for any World Test Championship. So for me, I guess Akib Javed should think for the long term. He should not make that pitches that benefit Pakistan in the short run, but however these things will you can say like damage the Pakistan batting plus Pakistan bowling in the long run, because these spinners like Sajid, Noman, you are not taking them to South Africa, you are not taking them to Australia as well. So I guess this doesn't make any sense that you are making this Multan pitch totally spinner friendly. You are playing with your top 3 spinners, and when you are going away from home like in Australia or South Africa, you are just wasting your these top 3 best spinners. So that doesn't make any sense. Akib Javed as the team coach should think for the long term for the Pakistan team.
And Anasab, also Mohammad Asif, I remember, was giving a statement recently that if you keep making these kind of pitches,
Yes.
then you will not be able to produce fast bowlers and only get spinners.
Perfect.
How do you see?
Exactly, I totally agree that if you are making these type of pitches, fast bowler, the role of fast bowler is equal to 0. So for me, I guess the pitch should be balanced. That supports the fast bowling spinners, plus that should be the batting pitch as well. As you have seen, the batsmen like Babar, you have seen as Kamran are not in a great confidence again playing against
Kamran
spinners.
played a very poor shot.
Poor shot, and he has just got out. So our batting side are not getting that confidence. So for me, I guess in future Pakistan should make a balanced pitch that support fast bowling, that should support spinners, plus that should support the batting side as well.
And lastly, before we conclude this video, Rana Sahab, we were seeing the statement of Mohsin Naqvi that he was
Yes.
very concerned for Saim Ayub, and he said that he does not want to risk his career. And you're knowing that Abdullah Shafiq is also out of the squad, and Saim Ayub will not play Champions Trophy. Khushal Shah, I'm hearing, was also coming back in the team. How do you see this?
For me, Khushal Shah should not be in the team. Instead, Fakhar Zaman should be in the team, and he should open the Pakistan innings in Champions Trophy. Plus, we are really, as a Pakistan nation, we are totally concerned for Saim Ayub because he's a top talent, young talent, and
Performing brilliantly.
exactly, and we hope that Saim should play for Pakistan for inshallah next 15 years. But right now we should give him totally rest, and we should consult doctors before to give him the right to play in Champions Trophy, because because we should think for the long term, and in the long term Saim should be in the team, but right now he is injured and we should give him some rest until doctors made him clear for the Champions Trophy.
What about Abdullah Shafiq Rana Sahib?
No,
Now Saim's team is
Akib,
coming
we
back.
have given Abdullah a lot of chance, and he has just proven that he is not the right person to be in the team right now. For me, Fakhr should be in the team. Babar, Kamran, Saud Shakil should be in the team as well in the for the Champions Trophy, and as we have said before, Saim should be in the team if doctor have allowed him to play in the Champions Trophy.
Chalo, Rana Sahib, thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we will have you in another video. So, guys, that's it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe to Sports for more content like this. Till then, it is goodbye from me and Rana Sahib side. Take good care of yourself and Allah.
Allah Hafiz. Take care, Akib. Bye bye.